Hi guys, let's learn the concatenate function. So let's say I have two columns where the first name and the last name is there, and I want a column where I want to join both with a space. Then we can use the concatenate function. Let's see how to do it. Just type equals to, then concatenate. Okay, so this is the function. Now we will give the string 1, just select it, or you can type it b2, b and 2, and then we can add the separator if we want as the second parameter. Let's say we want to add a space, then we can add the last name. Either we can type C2 or select, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and this will be here. Okay, now drag it down like this and all of this will be added. Okay, so this is how it can be done. You can add multiple other things also. Let's say you want to write lives in, and then comma, and then the city, and close it, hit enter, and just drag it down like this. It says Jane Smith lives in Los Angeles. Okay, there is a space missing, so we have to add extra space and just drag it down like this. So this is how you can use concatenate function in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please